This beetle may very well be the Houdini of the insect world. Its trick? Being eaten alive by a frog and then escaping through its bottom. Let's get real for a minute. We've all eaten something that seems to run right through us, but not quite this literally. Certain water beetle species have developed a very unique trait. After being swallowed by a frog, they'll climb through its gut before ducking out the back door.
Say what now?
That's right. A biologist at Kobe University found that this water beetle can wiggle through its captor's digestive system and force itself to be pooped out. Alive, but let's just say slightly soiled.
This is not a trivial process. Once it's inside the gullet of that frog, it's got to figure out which direction to go. It's got to take a pretty arduous journey through digestive juices, acid, an environment that doesn't have air to breathe, and somehow find its way out.
And it performs this feat in just 6 minutes. But how?
It's got some very, very clever adaptations. Number one, the beetle has a pretty hydrodynamic shape. That means it can move through a liquid pretty smoothly. Secondly, it has the ability to store air underneath its wing covers, so this probably helps it to deal with that oxygen-deprived environment of the intestine of the frog.
And what about this?
The real piece of the puzzle is that last piece. How does it actually get that frog to open up the vent to escape?
While researchers are still uncertain of exactly how, they think they may have an idea. They immobilized some of the test beetle's legs with wax. None of them survived.
This was strong indication that those beetles were actually orienting the right way, using their little legs to scramble through the digestive tract of that particular frog. And when they got to the end, they tickled it or did something that made that sphincter open up so they could escape.
Regardless of their process, we're pretty sure it's not fun for either the beetle or the frog.
It's not easy being green.
I'm Jenna Bell. Thanks for watching. Swipe up to subscribe.